Thermal repasting on Acer Aspire ES1 laptop. Thank you, ma'am Lily Elaine, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Having your laptop's thermal paste reapplied at a professional computer repair shop is a good move, as it ensures the process is done correctly and safely by trained technicians. Over time, the thermal paste between the CPU and GPU and their respective heat sinks can degrade or dry out, reducing its effectiveness in transferring heat away from the components. This can lead to overheating, thermal throttling, and decreased performance during demanding tasks. By taking your laptop to a professional repair shop, you can trust that the technicians will properly disassemble the device, clean off the old thermal paste, and apply a high-quality replacement. They will also ensure the components are reassembled securely, reducing the risk of accidental damage that can occur during DIY attempts. Thermal repasting is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your thermal repaste too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.